Now that I've talked to you a bit about the course and the goals it will help you achieve, let me tell you about myself and my credentials for teaching this course. My name is Rob Joya, and I've been teaching on Udemy since September 2017. I've been taking a good look at both positive and constructive feedback from my students, and used those comments to inform some of the decisions I made when making this course. I heard students want more thorough explanations, additional hands-on coding exercises, and a deeper understanding of course material. I currently work in New York City as a mobile software engineer. I am super passionate about the Python and JavaScript programming languages, and am thrilled at the opportunity to present you with a course that will teach you the ins and outs of these excellent languages. I also took part in the Google interview process during October 2018 and used C# during the phone interview. I continued on in the interview process, but obtained another high-paying job in the process. An opportunity to work on a Marvel Collect app, among other top intellectual property mobile apps. My background has been gaming focused, but I want to emphasize that this is not a game development course. This course is meant to make you an advanced programmer that has an excellent knowledge of Python and JavaScript. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology from NJIT. As a student who never programmed until I got to college, I want to help others looking to enter the tech industry and teach them the techniques I used to learn programming quickly and effectively. That's right, I never wrote a line of code until I went to college. 3.5 years later, I was working as a professional game developer in New York City. It is true that programming takes time to master, but that doesn't mean you have to be perfect or know everything to land a high-paying job. I'm not perfect, and I still don't know everything there is to know about programming. In fact, I've met developers that have been programming for 15 and even 20 years, and they aren't perfect and they don't know everything. My teaching focuses on conveying the most relevant skills that you can use to build your portfolio and get real, hands-on technical experience geared towards landing your dream tech industry job. I am an industry professional who also has teaching experience and a passion for learning and teaching about the latest programming languages and technologies. The topics I enjoy teaching and am very knowledgeable about include computer programming, information technology, game development, and web development. Okay, now that you know about the course goals and about my credentials, let's download and install the programs you'll need as we go through the course.